Madeline Lewis reading as Tina in The Assistants. Okay, come on, buddy. Your mommy needs you to eat so you can grow big and strong. And I need you to eat so your mommy will still like me and I can keep eating. Yay, eating.
Mike, this is Ali's son, Theo.
Oh, you can run, but you cannot hide. He's exceptionally good at hiding.
And this is Nanny Tina.
Welcome aboard, new guy.
Ahoy there, old lady.
Nice.
Sorry, first impressions aren't really my thing. See?
Was he this smooth when he met with you?
No, but he wasn't trying to hit on me. Oh, I was. You just couldn't tell because you were busy sneaking in the coffee. Not sneaking, searching for the coffee. I'm still jet lagged. Scott, was the coffee here last night?
Yes, it was. It was behind the door on the slide table.
Slide table.
I think I meant to say side table.